Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. This is the great day. The mega press is here. 300 tons, twice as fast, and all kinds of nice upgrades. And we are still at the factory. We are now going to test the machines with all kind of stuff that you see there. And on this video, I'm going to explain all the great things about the machine. And we are going to, of course, crush some stuff while doing that. So I think we have to first crush something. It's like crush something nice about machine, crush nice about machine. Let's go like that. And this is not a sponsored video, but to be like clear and open about everything, ProfiPress has made the machine for our use free of charge. They don't pay for us on making these videos or saying nice stuff about them. But we have a lot of great ideas that we can work together in the future. The big press is just the start. And we are a bit afraid. We are going to have concrete bunker for the machine at our place. So we can't go yet super crazy here. So let's start with Lego brick, weighs 300 tons. How it goes. Okay, now we are going to choose how much we are going to use. This is not fully calibrated, so we have 270 tons, and let's go with that. So, here it goes. Look how fast it is. Yeah, it's more flat than with 150 tons. That's 2 millimeters. So that's plenty thin. Okay, that was the first crush. And here comes the next good thing about the new machine. Look at this. The pump and the motor are separate unit. And we have pretty long hose. So we can have this outside of the filming bunker. So you don't hear the sound from the motor and pumps, but rather that you are going to hear what sound the items make when they are crushed. So that's a really nice upgrade. I'm really hyped up about that. Okay, we are ready with the first real challenge. Playing cards, and you know what these does because they are made out of paper. Okay. I like the fact that when you turn the machine on, the lights flicker. Here it goes. Oh my God. Yeah, that was totally new reaction.
Really?
First time when we were able to crush the whole deck. And then the next great thing about the press, it's made by ProfiPress. It's a great company. We have spent a lot of time together. We have planned the press together, and the whole press is actually Rule's idea.
It's my idea, yes. I'm very happy.
Yeah, he sent email to me asking, should we get a new press? And there it started. And they have visited our workshop. And we have visited their company, and now we are together here at the factory.
Yes.
Testing the machine together, and it's been really fun trip so far.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, we are all as excited about the machine as me and Hanna. And what we should crush next?
I play tennis, so should we go for tennis ball?
Okay, tennis ball it is.
Okay, let's go.
How it goes. It's just completely crushed.
Completely. No, we cannot play tennis anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's yours now.
Okay.
Okay, team. Of course, the team boo.
So maybe it's nice to do this.
Yeah.
That's a bit scary. Should we do the like hold over or half of it or?
Maybe half of it. Let's make half of it.
Let's make half.
Yeah.
Why not?
Okay, next great upgrade, this here. And we have this here, and then we have a cable that we can attach to computer and have one screen outside of the bunker. And you can also see this on videos because we can do screen capture. And here you can program like work cycle, like go up and down with one push, or you can adjust the how many tons you want. Like let's say we don't want to go crazy on the start, so we can just put 100 tons, and then it's going to use 100 tons. And then there is 3 pumps. The old machine has 2 pumps, but this has 3 because it's better. And we can switch the pumps off and on to make it faster or slower. And then we have also separate fine control for the speed. But let's go with the full speed and full power, because why not? Okay, full speed, full power, post-it notes. Okay, then one more great thing. This here, it's a position sensor. So when we are figuring out how strong is something, I don't have to be the judge anymore. This can be the judge when it's gone. Because when we, for example, test like how strong is car jack, we can see when it starts to go down and get destroyed from this. And this is going to also be on the display. There is going to be a graph about force and the distance. So this is going to be really nice on more technical and scientific videos. Okay, now we have stack of CDs here. Otter thought that this is a bit too dangerous, but Hanna really wants to do this. Are you going to be, Hanna, here pushing the pedal?
No, I'm not.
Okay,
No.
let's go behind the pump again.
Yeah, let's go somewhere far. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Okay, the CDs went everywhere.
Yeah, miten törmäs tonne seinään.
Was it loud? I was too scared to listen.
Ja it was like scream.
Yeah, the machine definitely has power.
Yeah.
That was
oh my
completely
God.
new thing.
Yeah, it just. Oh.
I'm so glad that we have the bunker.
Yeah.
Oh, this is also super hot. Okay, and here is the next great thing. The machine has huge motor. It's 22 kilowatts, and because of that, it's so fast and powerful. We can have 50 tons with twice the speed that the old machine has. So like all kind of worm maker things and stuff like that, they're going to be super satisfying and nice looking, because I don't have to fast forward my videos anymore on YouTube Shorts and other videos like that. And all to that is thanks to this motor here. It's so strong and powerful. Okay, something a bit safer now. Can of Pringles with 200. This seems to go to 280 tons at the moment, so that's the power that we are using. I think we can do something here with that. This is clearly better even on stuff like that. This is so flat. And next great thing about press is the fact that it can also pull. We can pull the table down and the press stays, the cylinder stays up. So we can start to test everything like chains, seat belts, whatever you want to see. We can pull them with the press. So it's hydraulic pull channel also in the future. Now we have books. And I have no idea what is going to happen. The tool that we have here, this is really huge. This is like 200 millimeters. The old press can only explode paper with 80 millimeter tool. So I'm not sure do we have enough power, even with the 300 tons, but we are going to find out. And if it explodes, you saw what happened to CDs. So think about paper.
It didn't blow.
Okay, we had two options. Either add steel part there to act as a smaller diameter tool, or just add more paper to make it weaker, because the taller pile is always weaker. And with the steel cylinder there, if that flies, then it's going to kill someone, so let's not do that. So we made this unholy pile of paper. It's book and playing cards. And now we are going to see how it goes. Everybody else went to different room. I think that's the sign to go. Okay, we integrated the playing cards to the book. I have never seen anything like this, but we got great explosions with the post-it cards and playing cards, but for the books, I think we need a bit smaller books or a smaller tool, but we are going to definitely make video just about books when we get to our workshop, and I can make new tools, and we have the bunker. But I have never seen anything like this. Okay, the factory owner Stefan wanted to try to build out his very own rock maker, and we are going to make rock Legos, Lego rocks. And we can start with 100 tons and see how it goes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to definitely go to other room. Okay, I think it's over.
Woo. What's that sound?
No, it's still going. Okay, it's still going.
Really? No, now he stopped.
I knew this is going to happen. It's stretched.
Yes.
So with 270 tons, you can form steel using Legos.
And they cutting the tubes, they cutting the weld, and we try move out.
Yeah. And only sad thing about this was the fact that I already said that Stefan kids can have the extra Legos.
But Stefan wanted them himself.
Oh. No, the Legos are still coming. Oh. They are like completely magneted up, but they still are not fusing together. So you really can't make rock out of Legos. And I thought that we were done with the books, but Stefan had a different opinion. He really started to get a lot of ideas about different press tools. So he made a like punch tool that we use to cut a middle part out of the books. So in that way we can safely test slightly smaller amount of paper under the press. The diameter of the tool is 135 millimeters. So it has over twice the amount of paper that the old press can deal with. And after we got the papers out, Stefan came up with this clever idea to load them. So it was a bit like layered crush, and I think they explode pretty much the same time. That was really exciting. I think I could make even whole video with this design. And we had so much fun with Stefan. He is really similar guy than I am, lot of ideas and can build something really quickly. And I think I have to get him to visit my workshop and spend a couple days there. We can make so crazy tools and test them out when I have the bunker. And also Rule and Tim had a lot of fun from the Profi Press, and the whole day at the factory was super fun. And I can't wait to get the machine at the workshop. And the next great thing about the press is the fact that we don't need the force sensor. This can calculate the pressure on both sides of the piston, and from that it knows what's the force being applied under here. Of course it's not like 100% accurate, but if we are going to do some super accurate things, then we can still use the force sensor, but it knows it like up to 1 ton. So when you have 300 tons, that's pretty good resolution. And with the concrete bunker, no more safety box either. So it's going to make our work super much easier. And also the videos are going to look much better without the safety box, because we can have proper lights and multiple cameras and all the good stuff. And the stuff can fly more, because there isn't anything to stop them before the bunker walls. So this is going to be a great upgrade to the channel. And I think one more crush, regular orange. I liked so much when the lights go out when you switch it on. That's the sign of good press. The old press also, it builds up the force a bit slower. This can also do that if you lower the speed, but with full attack it's really angry machine. Okay, first video with the new press is now done, and I say that the press did excellent job today. It destroyed all the things, and there was a couple big explosions, and it took them really well. And I made also Beyond the Press video. There you can see how this very press here is made. They filmed the whole thing, so go check that out. And you are going to see also other Profi Press machines here on the hydraulic press channel in the future. We have visited a couple of Profi Press customers, so you can see hydraulic press doing some real work also. I think that's good addition after 8 years of pointless videos, just crushing stuff. So now you can see also how stuff is made with hydraulic press. So subscribe to the channel and go check out the Beyond the Press video. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.